this guy has bigger balls than me for sure. We are having a romantic date here.
Bananas?
Yeah.
Bigger the better.
If I fall like that, feels crazy. I have more dopamine than when I Jennifer Lopez. Sexy boys, sexy ladies. I'm here with Ice Epic Journey. They invited me for a trip where we're gonna zipline into a glacier today. It's gonna be amazing. Are you ready for today, sir?
Yes, sir.
I'm here with Icelandic sexy boy, and it's gonna be a great adventure. Do you like bananas?
Bananas?
Yeah.
The bigger the better.
So this is Mike here, the CEO of Ice Epic Journey. We have driven 4 hours from the capital to get to this place. We could bring you guys along for the ride. You can check out their company in description and book a tour with them if you think this trip is gonna be amazing.
In this example, we have Chris, kid, two on each side. You have one more time, two. We have twist down.
Little energy before the hike here.
My bag.
Off we go, guys. How heavy is your backpack?
Heavy as a virgin in church.
My backpack is like 10 kilos, guys, but it's gonna be alright. It's not that heavy actually. I crossed the Alps walking with 20 kilos on my backpack. So. Glacier is just up there. One of the biggest glaciers in Iceland.
Yeah, close to it.
Yeah. So let's go. It's really nice. You have these small icebergs here in the lake. It's pretty nice. That's because it's so cold. Actually, today it's not cold. It's like 5 degrees Celsius in the sun. Pretty warm, no wind. Great conditions. We are lucky today for the good weather. So basically, today the program is to go to a lake, zip line, and then jump in the lake. Fucking crazy, guys. One of the only things in the spots in the world where you can do it. I'm gonna bring you guys along the ride. It's gonna be super interesting. Something the internet hasn't seen yet. So yeah, it's gonna be great. Around 1.5 hours walk. Alright, guys. What a view. Do you like the view, man? It's a great view. It's beautiful. I've never seen something like this in my life, so it's pretty unique, guys.
And I go down. The clients are still waiting down there. I don't know, like some soup and a candy bar.
Alright, guys, first break here. I have to say it's a nice hike. Pretty challenging walking on these volcano stones, especially because I have some new shoes here, so they're a bit weird. But right now the guys are spotting up there where they rode to the glaciers, and it's gonna be great, man. Hopping in the zip lines and doing some crazy stuff. That's what we like, you know. Just gonna check up with my foot here. Yeah. We have now reached the glacier, and we have 1 hour more walk until the zip line underwater. It's gonna be crazy ice bath, crazy salto, backflips, front flips. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. The private guides are filming with their drone to identify the lake. They just told me that we are not far away from the lake, so that's great. Somewhere over there. Oh no, I think I can hear it. Oh, that's the speaker. He's playing music over there.
That's right, Julian. Get it, baby, all day. Yeah, baby.
Alrighty, guys, I have my crampons here. Let's go. Gonna put these on because we just reached the glacier, so this is used so that you don't slip in the ice. Really simple, really nice to take on. I'm gonna show you two guys how to put it on. Daddy is helping me with putting the... No, okay, sorry.
Good job, son.
No, he's helping me to put on these shoes here before we reach the glacier. As I told you guys again, the service in this company is amazing. So when you come to Iceland, book a trip with these guys. I'm gonna show it's gonna be the craziest event today. Gonna put the helmet on here, guys, just to make sure I don't break my head today. Boom. Helmet, safety before everything, right? Off we go to the glacier, guys. It feels great. First time here walking with shoes like this. Looks a bit weird, but it works pretty well, so that's what matters. As you have these holes here, so if you fall in these holes, you're a bit fucked, right?
Quite uncomfortable, right?
How deep is it?
This one? Not enough.
Wow. Some which are a bit more difficult to cross. In the middle of the glacier, I just found this little jacuzzi here. It's a cold jacuzzi, but it looks more clean than most showers I've been in. And how cold is the water?
Oh, it's just 1 degree.
1 degree. I almost frozen. It's really, really, really beautiful. It's really, really sexy, huh? That's drinkable, right?
Yeah, of course, everything is drinkable. Yeah.
We've been walking for 15 minutes in the glacier. It's going really great, guys. We're moving this way. Stunning, guys. It's really stunning. My shoe hurts a little bit, my foot. But David Goggins reminds me to keep pushing. Wow, we are really lucky with the conditions today, so it's great. Yeah, guys, the hike is going great. We've been walking like 600 meters on the glacier. It's a funny experience, you know. You gotta be careful where you put your foot because you can twist your ankle really easily. Yeah, walking in this is like heaven. You can see the view here. That's a shit, huh? Alright, so you see this steep part here? The team is building a bridge kind of with the ropes. I'm very excited for this, guys, because the hole is like super deep. That means if I fall, I'm fucked. They secure it in a way that's not gonna happen, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen. It's crazy, guys. I've never done things like that, so I'm really excited, and yeah, we're gonna see. So basically, when I arrive over there, I unscrew this, right?
No, you're gonna unscrew it as soon as you get down. I'm gonna direct you. You're not gonna go anywhere. I'm gonna tell you when.
Okay. And then I just go.
Yeah, just go scooch off the edge.
Okay. Hey, are you ready, man?
Yeah, he's okay. It takes time. Go ahead. Off you go.
I know.
No, but he's not. He doesn't impact the system. I promise. Go ahead. Off you go.
Fuck! I feel so stressed now. I'm gonna zip line over this edge. If I fall, I die. If not, I survive. Okay, I really hope. Let's go, Indiana Jones.
Let's find out.
What should I do?
Yeah, just keep scooching over and go over the edge. Yeah, now you can just do it like that. Off you go. And I'm gonna be holding here to support you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And now I just let go?
Yeah, you just need to slowly go down. You can hold the rope as well.
Should I hold the rope all the time?
If you want, yeah, you can hold behind the rope.
Yeah.
You see how I got you now?
Yeah.
I'm gonna let you down slowly, yeah?
Should I hold here?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Should I push myself forward?
Well, I'm gonna let you down a little bit more. Hey, yeah, let yourself go down more.
Yeah.
There you go.
Should I just let go?
Yeah, and now you could unclip the rope from you.
The yellow one?
Yeah. Now let's see if the thing on the
are you
mate
going?
works.
I'm gonna zip line over this glacier. If I fall, I die. So now I just let go?
Yeah, just off you go.
Okay.
Come to me!
There you go.
Oh, this feels so stressful, guys. If I fall, I die.
There you go.
Oh my god. Oh guys, this is crazy.
Yeah, there you go. Step up. There you go. And yeah, so throw it down here, Julie.
Alright guys, I just survived. It feels crazy. I have more dopamine than when I fucked Jennifer Lopez.
Come a bit more up.
Just connect that to you.
Connect that to you.
Just connect it to anything.
Yeah guys! Hey guys, I just survived. Check out this place here. Follow this Instagram if you want tours from them. Oh guys, I just survived. Thank you, Mother Nature. Let's do some push-ups to celebrate, guys. Yeah. Alright. Oh guys, so we just crossed the crazy zipline shit. Now we're taking a little lunch break here. It's gonna be great. Got my little sleeping mat here. Oh, it's crazy environment here, guys. Just gonna eat a little tuna can here with the boys. And my foot is hurting weirdly because of my new shoes, but I just have to live with the pain. It's alright, you know, it's like a 7 out of 10 pain, but I've tried worse, I've tried better. Let me say it like that. Some toast. He just set off the drone to check where the lake is, but now gonna eat some. Yeah, I can just open the bed like this. With the shoes. So this is my main meal here on the glacier. Some toast. Smells good. Icelandic toast. And then some tuna for the proteins, for the gains, you know, because I work out. Under this jacket you have a very muscular guy. Whoop. Oh yeah.
Oh, there it is. Hold on.
Tuna with bread, nothing better.
Yeah.
We're gonna arrive to the lake here in 5-10 minutes after the lunch break. After 1.5 hours walk on the glacier, we took our time. We could easily have done it in 30 minutes. Because of me, I don't have a lot of skills, so it's great. It's great touring by these guys. Check them out in the description. If you're coming to Iceland, you can book a trip with them. Yeah, it's nice. Can't complain. Louis Vuitton is not expensive compared to climbing an ice cave. We start off with these ones, $500 for both of them. Then we have the backpack here. Usually it's a pretty expensive backpack, $300. We have the helmet, which I can't take off, $100. All types of equipment here. So you can see some ropes, some things here. So this is like, yeah, crazy expensive, but I'll tell you guys, it's worth it, man. Being out here in the beautiful nature almost by myself is It feels great, man. It's peaceful and there's literally nobody out here. It's really amazing. If you want to travel the world like me, book a call in the story highlights. Lunch break finished. Let's go to the famous lake. Really smart mattress here. Allows your body to stay nice and warm.
Yeah. I was guys pulling him up. Pull him up. And I was like, on my knees.
This is the Viking challenge. You make a push-up. Take a sip here. The water is super clean and tastes really great. Let me taste it here. Oh, that's great. At the same time, you fresh up yourself and you get some water. So let's go, guys. Give me a follow for more tips. If you want to travel the world, book a call in the story highlights to show the view.
You get two snap gates.
Huh?
I'm just talking to Julian.
Nice glacier water here behind, guys. Pretty sexy. What do you think? Yeah, it's pretty great. We just arrived here. Pretty small lake. It's almost like a jacuzzi, so it's really great. It's been a great touring. It took like 1.5 hours, 2 hours to get here. It was an adventure in itself to go here. I'll tell you that, guys. It was pretty crazy, but really great. We're gonna inflate the flamingo now, because we're gonna go in the water. It's gonna take maybe like 5 minutes, and then we have a bathing ring for ourselves. It's gonna be very nice.
Got a lot of faith in me.
Make
Maybe
sure
you think
keep
it
it
takes
away
me 5
from the
minutes.
crampon.
Maybe it takes more than 5 minutes. Let's see. So we also just realized that to do the zip line, it's gonna be sketchy because the water is simply, there's not enough depth. The water is 1 meter deep. So we're not gonna do the zip line, but we're gonna do the flamingo. So it's
zip line over.
Oh yeah, I mean, we are putting the zip line over because we put a hammock. What am I saying? Anyways, side quest, let's go. Alrighty guys, we have now fixed the flamingo. It's gonna be ready to float. Took a fair amount of time, maybe more than 5 minutes. Took like 10 minutes, but he did a great job blowing. It was really great. And now it's time to go in the water. I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm already feeling a little bit cold, so you have to be crazy to do these kind of things. Definitely, it's gonna be worth it. They're setting up like a hammock over there, like with the zip line. It's crazy, guys. They're like up there setting up like a hammock on the line here. It's really nice.
First swim.
I'm waiting for the hammock because then I do it all in one, you know?
Okay, let's do it all one.
Yeah. But the flamingo is up now, so great, great, great. Oh. What do you think about the flamingo? Oh, I need to have it on, right?
Yeah. So, I haven't even taken a shower, I'm not gonna lie. But this is my shower. This is the best place to get a shower. The water's 1 degree Celsius. And the cool... oh my god. And the best thing about this is natural Icelandic water. So if you want to come on a tour with me, come check it out. Ice Pick Journeys all day. Wow, it's cold. Oh my god.
Oh, you are brave, man.
Man, goddamn.
You are a brave man. This guy has bigger balls than me for sure. My balls are pretty big, but can I see your balls? I'm joking, but are you alright, mate? That was crazy.
Wow.
Check out his journey. Check out his account if you want to journey with him in the glacier, and follow me as well. But this...
Good. 3, 2, 1, let go.
Oh, that's really nice. I just took a shower here and I feel like James Bond in real life. The thing is, I am the ginger James Bond, guys. And out here in the cold water, you can also drink it here. Super clean. Iceland has the cleanest water in the world. It's from the glacier. No pollution, no pesticides. And I feel great. If you want to do these kind of adventures, follow this Instagram account and they will guide you. This is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 camera. And it's completely waterproof. I'm out here in a glacier, I'm gonna show you now. This camera has underwater mode. It can film in 4K, 8K. You can use it for all your expeditions. I'm in freezing cold water right now, but I'm a Viking from the north. And life is great, man. Woo! Check out this camera. Press on the Instagram website here and check out my story. Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Thank you for sponsoring my adventure. And it's really great. I love Iceland. Hey guys, it's been a fantastic day. I really hope you like it. He just went naked in the water here. I mean, you can see he's in underwear. It's the most crazy people I've ever been out with. So definitely check them out. We all just went in the water almost. It was great. Now I'm going back. We're gonna eat dinner at his place. That's like we are back in his house probably in like 2 hours walk. So I really hope you guys like the video. I really enjoyed this.
It does not make sense, the entry.
No, I mean, but you see why it doesn't
Yeah,
make sense.
yeah.
Because you have to start so low.
Mm-hmm.
Ideally, if it was up here, you know, straight back, then it'd be much easier to transition right now.
Mm-hmm.
Edition Everest,
Yes, sir.
or the pink flamingo in the back.
Yeah, we are on our way back here. It's been a great day, but we're not finished yet. We have a 1 hour walk here on the glacier, so yeah, just gotta focus, guys. It's not easy, especially with my foot condition and all, but pretty nice, pretty original to walk on ice like this. If you make a mistake, guys, you're fucked. You can fall in a crevasse like this. If you're alone, nobody will come and pick you up, especially because there's bad service out here. So do this. If you do this, guys, be very responsible. Like, this is really dangerous activity. It's very fast go on. We just came back to the cars, guys. The glacier is right behind here. What a crazy day. Check out their company, guys. It was really great. The amazing guides here. They became my friends in 2 hours and made sure I didn't die. Because it was a crazy day. So thank you for the drink also. Collab here. Icelandic drink. Tastes like what?
Their flower lime.
Does it taste good, yeah?
Amazing.
Yeah. Amazing. So I'll make sure to drink it tomorrow in a frozen river and let you know how it tastes. Thank you guys. Check out their company. Really sympathetic guys here. They'll take care of you. Yeah. Thank you guys. Leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you for next adventure.